This video is about a new type of event handler, that is our generic handler. So the generic event handler, it can listen any sort of motion or any sort of events that we perform on our application. Okay. So first thing, one stack pane is to be created. The object is root stack pane. Now one button is created with the button text on it. Now we are going to add one event handler, add event handler method, which will register or initialize an event handler to the button node for the specified event type. So here event type is to be applied to the root. So root has all the components, everything in it in the application. So it will accept all event types, and we are just adding the generic handler to it. So now we are adding the button to the root stack pane and just displaying the stage. So when we call this add event handler, it will override the generic handler event handler. So this handler will print the event type to the console output in this handle method. So handler will print all the type of mouse movements in the output. So let's run our code, and here it has created one button. So as you can observe in the console, it basically prints or accepts all the movement that we apply on the button. Press, action, mouse release, then clicked. If we move it, so move, then exit. Okay, so everything is being caught by the generic event handler. Then let's see another type of event handler, that is how to accept the events from all the sources. Let's say there are different set of buttons here. Okay, so let me just run it. Yeah, so we have multiple sources, suppose close, open, find, save. So when we click on each of the button, it displays something in the text. So here we have created the buttons and enabling the set on action event on all the buttons over here. Now, okay, so this button handler is implementing the event handler, and the handle method is accepting all the event types through the get source method applied on the respective button, and it displays this set text with set string.format method. So button fired. So the name of the button is accepted, and the get text is accepting what type of operation is being enabled.